Want a fast and effective way to get your customers straight to checkout with a scan? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create Shopify QR codes that link directly to your product's checkout page using Shopify's free app Shopcodes. First, let's install the Shopcodes from your Shopify admin. Click on Apps, then right here Shopcodes and click. It will take us to the installation page. Now we will click on install, and again we will click on install. After that, it will take us to the dashboard page of the app, and it is a bit buggy, so I will refresh it. And now we are on the dashboard page. So to create the shopcode, we will click on create shopcode, and now we will write a title, and the title will be first product. Now choose the product you want the QR code to lead to. You can search it or scroll through your list. And here, once you have selected the product, there are two options: link to product page or link to checkout page. For this tutorial, we want the second option. This means your customer scans the code and lands directly at checkout, ready to buy. You can even include a discount code if you want to make the deal even sweeter. Now, just click on save and Shopify will generate a QR code for you. Now you will see the preview of the code, and below it is the download button. After clicking on it, the Shopify will download the zip file containing the SVG and the PNG files of the image. Now we will click on download, and here it is downloaded, and these are the images, and it is taking a bit of time. Yeah, now here it is. Use this. Now you can use this QR code on posters, packaging, flyers, business cards, or even product tags in a physical store. Customers just scan it and land right checkout, no clicks needed. This is a great way to convert offline interest into direct sales. Now, for a bonus tip, Shopify tracks the scans for each shopcode, so you can see how well they are working by clicking on conversions. As I don't have any scans, it will not show me anything here. So if you are testing codes in different locations, say a flyer versus a packaging insert, you will know what converts best. So that's how you create a Shopify QR code that goes straight to checkout in just a few clicks. Whether you are running a pop-up shop, including them in your shipments, or adding them to your product packaging, QR codes are a powerful sales tool. Install the free Shopcodes and give it a try today. Want more Shopify tips? Like and subscribe.